your grout is important, but it can be an absolute train wreck if you don't know what you're doing. So today I got a pretty clever little test to show you the exact benefits that sealing provides, and then we'll get right into the tips and the tricks and a get out of jail free card to make this job a breeze. So if we think about grout that's not an epoxy type grout, it's pretty much just sand, a little bit of cement and water. So it's very porous. If you want to know if your grout is sealed, throw a couple drops of water on the grout. If it's not sealed, it'll absorb very quickly. So now when it comes to stain protection, I've devised a clever little test here to show us the difference. On this side here, I've got 2 coats of sealer along this strip. Here, it's unsealed along the grout. I've put a little dirt solution along both the strips. That's set up overnight. So what we're gonna do is just wash these off with some soapy water and a cloth, and you'll see the difference. So now that's all dried up, and you can see a noticeable difference. On the side that didn't have any sealer, it's pretty bad, stained all the way along. It's a couple really bad spots. On the sealed side, definitely a lot cleaner, still not 100%. I think that the solution that I used here of grease and dirt might have been a little extreme, but you get the point. The sealer side is definitely better. So let's get into the tips and the tricks that you need to properly seal up your grout without making a huge mess. Let's get one thing straight before we start. We're talking about just your standard floor tiles, like a porcelain or a ceramic. We're not talking about any natural stone like marble, travertine, slate, anything like that. That's a different process altogether. So the absolute #1 must for me in terms of sealing the grout is getting the proper applicator. I really like these little bottles here with the little brush on the tip. It enables you to get the sealer just on the grout areas without getting it all over the tile. The problem is if you use one of those foam brushes, it's going to get on the tile. If you spray it, it's obviously going to get all over the tile. So what I like about this applicator is you can keep it right along the grout. It does a beautiful job. You get the pressure right and it just lays it down almost perfectly. But now for most sealers, there's going to be a particular window. So if you're going along here and say it squeezes out onto the tile, it says between 3 to 5 minutes is the ideal time that you want to wipe that off with a towel, a dry towel. You don't want to introduce water into this whole process. So a dry towel within that time period. I tested it out on another ceramic tile, and you pretty much have with this stuff here, the Miracle Sealant. I'll link any of these products in the description if you're interested. With this Miracle Sealant, I've had good success. It's anywhere between 3 to kind of 20 minutes where you can still wipe it off with a nice dry towel. So what happens if you miss a few spots that you notice the next day or even a week later, and it's going to be like a hazy, dull spot on your tile? Not to worry, there's a get out of jail free card. What works best for me is to take a little bit of methyl hydrate, denatured alcohol, put a little bit onto a paper towel. Now, if you're doing this at home, test it out in a spot that's not going to be noticeable, maybe under a heat register. Pull it up and try a little bit under there just to make sure it's not going to discolor the tile. I've had great success with it in the past. But take that and then just wipe that spot right off with the methyl hydrate. It'll come right off, not leaving any residue behind. So that works out great. But yeah, your #1 goal is to not get this all over the place. This little applicator makes that super easy to do. And now in terms of this, you're gonna need to do 2 coats. I think you need to let it dry 30 to 40 minutes in between the coats for this particular stuff. So you can get this all done in one day, and then up to 72 hours is when it's going to be kind of fully cured. And then hey, if you're going to go ahead and seal your tile grout, you're going to want to clean it. To do that, I got a couple of videos for you right over here. There's 2 different methods. Check them both out, and then you'll know which one will work best for you.